G-Shock are celebrating the 40th anniversary of the very first G-Shock model with these two full metal models. These are a part of the 5000 series, which is the very same lineage as the first G-Shock, the GMWB5000C. In this video, we're taking a look at these two crazy looking models in the GMWB5000PS-1 and the GMWB5000PG-9. The first thing you're going to notice about these models is the texture of the metal. It's very hard to ignore, but it's also very interesting when you take a closer look. So these are primarily built with stainless steel, and that texture of that stainless steel is enhanced with this recrystallization effect. Up close, it's got a super glittery texture that will reflect light really well, but it also takes on an overall matte appearance. So from afar, it just looks like a standard gold watch with a little bit of texture. Now, this stainless steel watch has been coated in a titanium carbon coating, which offers a harder outer layer, which in turn protects the watch against any dents or scratches. But of course, this is a G-Shock, so you don't have to worry about any bumps or knocks messing up the movement anyway. So this gold tone model is pretty cool, but let's take a look at the silver looking one. You can see here it's got the same texture across the bezel, case and bracelet. Really, the only other difference is the inverted display. Personally, I really enjoy this display. It goes with the whole theme of the watch, but if you're not a fan of inverted displays, maybe the gold model is for you. Looking closer at that dial, we can see that there's this mirrored outer ring to the dial, which offers an elevated look and adds to that shine we were talking about earlier. Moving in, there's this brick pattern, which pays homage to the first G-Shock model, albeit in a silver or gold tone depending on the model. The LCD display offers nothing new really. You get the standard time, date, day, and that's about it. But really, it's all the essentials, and what more do you want? Flipping the watch over to the case back, we see that screw down case back, which is made out of titanium and features the 40th anniversary logo. If you're familiar with the 5000 series, you know they're pretty large watches, so a lug to lug of 49.3 millimeters, a width of 43.2, and a thickness of 13 mil. You sort of do need a larger than average wrist to wear these, in my opinion. You can kind of see on my wrist there's these gaps under that first lug. It's not the greatest look in my opinion, but hey, wear what you want, it does not matter. Anyway, a one-touch 3-fold clasp keeps this on the wrist, and overall build quality is very high, which you should expect given the price point. A solar powered battery will power the watch, and you can easily connect the watch to your phone via Bluetooth to change things like the time, date, and time zone. So that's pretty much all there is to say about these models. Which one would you take? Personally, I'll be taking the silver tone model. Just love the looks that this one offers. Please leave a comment telling me which one you would take, and make sure to like and subscribe for more future watch content. Thank you for watching another Watch Depot unboxing. Have a nice day, and I'll catch you in the next one.